In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom photo gallery to your Wix website. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional gallery that showcases your images exactly the way you want. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor with the page open where you want the gallery to appear. On the left side of the editor, click the Add button, the one with the plus icon. This opens a panel with all the building blocks you can drop onto your site. From that panel, choose Gallery. You'll see a variety of layout options like grid, masonry, slider, and collage. Pick the layout that best matches your content and style. A grid is great for neat, uniform rows and a consistent look. Masonry is perfect for images with different sizes because it creates a flowing Pinterest-like wall. A slider focuses attention on one image at a time, ideal for storytelling or featured shots. Collage gives a dynamic, creative feel with mixed sizes. Don't stress too much about this choice now. You can switch layouts later if you change your mind. Once you've chosen a layout, drag the gallery onto your page. Place it where you want it to live, above the fold for a bold first impression or lower on the page if it's supporting other content. Use the blue guidelines and snap points to align it with your existing sections and elements so everything looks balanced. Drag the corners to resize. Aim for a size that lets images breathe without overwhelming the page. Keep an eye on spacing from text and buttons so your page remains readable and inviting. With the gallery selected, click Manage Media. This is where you add the images that will appear in your gallery. Upload photos directly from your computer or pull them from your Wix Media library if you've already stored them there. As your images appear, you can reorder them by dragging remove any you don't need and replace placeholders if your chosen layout includes them. For each image, you can add a title and description. These details help visitors understand what they're seeing and can support accessibility and search visibility. If your gallery supports links, you can set an image to open a page, a link, or expand in a larger view. For best results, use high-quality images that are not overly large. Wix helps with optimization, but starting with well-compressed files keeps your site snappy. That's it. You've selected a layout, positioned your gallery, and filled it with your photos. Make small adjustments until it looks just right and you're ready to impress your visitors.